Hello guys, welcome back to LeetCode. So in our SQL series of solving LeetCode question, I'm back with another question, a problem 6 of SQL series, which is replace employee ID with the unique identifier. But before starting the question, if you haven't subscribed to LeetCode, do subscribe to LeetCode. Hit that big fat bell icon so that you get updates from me every time I upload any video or content. Okay, so let's start with the question. We have two tables over here, employees and employee uni. Okay, employees table have two columns, ID and name. So this table contains ID and name of the employees of the company. Okay, and here ID is the primary key. Fine. Now employee uni contains two columns, ID and unique ID, and both the columns are primary key. Fine, this unique ID and ID both are primary keys, and it contains information about that employee in the company. Now if you notice, both the tables have one thing in common, which is ID. Fine, so this much information is enough to solve the question. We have two tables, we have ID column in common, and ID and unique ID both are primary keys. Fine, now let's understand what is the problem over here. We have to write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user do not have unique ID, replaced and just show null. Fine, so we have to write a query to show user's unique ID. Fine, let's understand this with an example. We have this table, employees table, with these employee names and ID, and employee uni table with this ID and unique ID. Okay, so if you see the output, we have unique ID column corresponding to our name column, and there are two employees, Alice and Bob, who do not have unique IDs, so they have null beside them. Okay, so this we have to write a query to achieve this result. Fine, now as you can see that there are two different columns in one table, but if you go to their parent table, they do not exist in same table. Okay, what I'm saying is name and unique ID are not in same table. What we have done is they have joined the table. Okay, SQL have this concept of joining tables to get the desired result. So this question is all about joins in SQL. Fine, we have to join these two tables. Now there is one common table, one common column, which is ID. Fine, so we are going to use left join over here, because to achieve the desired result, which is this output, we need to join these two tables. Okay, and how we are going to join? We are going to join these two tables on the basis of this ID column, because it has ID in common. Now which join we are going to apply? We are going to apply left join. Why left join? Because not every employee have unique ID, so we will apply left join. Fine, this ensures that all employees from the employees table are included, even they don't have matching entry in the employee uni table. This will bring us this null value. Hope you understood. Start with the query. We will select, we will select our name and unique ID column from our employees table. Okay, now we have to perform left join, so we will write left join uni table. Okay, uni table, employee uni table. Fine, now on which column? So dot ID is equal to employee id. Okay, so this is our query to join those two tables and get the desired results. Okay, let's run this query and check if it is correct or not. Okay. Here are 3E and a typo error. Let's check it again. Fine, we got our expected output from our query. So that's how you solve this problem. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to SheCodes for more coding tutorials. Okay, I'll be back with more such questions which will help you in your college placements or company interviews. And don't forget to hit this bell icon so you never miss those questions. Okay, happy coding. Thank you.